Nice treehouse. My kids would love that. It's pretty awesome. Oh, look at that great horses. And over there, we go explore. What it's about, where the pavement ends. Spot. I'm lazy. Woohoo! What's this? No shooting, littering, loitering. Well, we're just going to go riding. That's what we're doing. Vehicle. So that's where all the hunting goes on. Around here, I ain't starving that much. I'm just exploring. Let's go back to that spot. Just because we got the... Oh, look, I wonder if there's oak trees out here. We can get the acorns. We're going to check some out, and I'll be right back. No target shooting. Darn it, I was going to bring my 357 out. Let's do some shooting. Google Maps. Sorry, guys. Little few with a BRP. Gotta love her. I don't feel like walking. If this cable wasn't there, I would jump on down there, but we ain't jumping nowhere. Sorry, had to tread lightly. I am a hooligan every now and then. You couldn't tell. I'll come back in another few weeks when the leaves are really changing. It's pretty nice. Oh, I should have taken a picture with my camera. Oh well. Not today. Man, it smells great out here though. Whew. Smells amazing. Are we gonna eat it? Oh, it's wet. Here comes the mud. Mud's going down, man. Going down. Going down. Woo, 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 woo. Slinging. Man, look at this. This is what I want right here, guys. Woo, 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 woo. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is what it's about, man. We're going to go down there too, but I'm going to take a spot. I'm going to take the P out there. I can get low with this girl. my spot. I'll be back when I get the new drone, that's for sure. Man, this is pretty. This is where you want the 300, because you could easily dip and weave. You can easily dip and weave. State Game Protection Area. That's right, we ain't gonna rent nothing, we're gonna tread lightly. Oh man. This is beautiful. Every time I drive to Slough Falls, man, I see this and I'm like, this is great. Ooh, ain't coming down here, we might not make it. Oopsies. Sweet, let's go check it out. So, with all my exploits, my pigtail fell down a little bit. That's alright, look at this. This thing's brand freaking new and the thing's already, the rubber's wearing out. It's not like this bike sits outside. Good thing I got always a handy zip tie or 3, especially on the BR, the off-roaders. We'll put this guy up here. My battery tender, I don't really want nothing to fall. There we go. She won't lose it again. Little BRP walk down. Acubus 5.8 gallon. Get you to where you gotta go. I changed the back tire to the Kendall because the OEM Bridgestone was burned out from the power, the massive power. Check us out, Miss Mel. She brought stickers with me. I wonder what we can do. Let's see if we can get down here. If I can eat it. This is where you need a little bike. It'd be a lot better. Woohoo! That's what it's about. I don't know about strip. Whoa, whoa! Normally this is underwater. Oh, they might get mad at me down here. Photo op. Oh yeah, she's duking. Oh man, I lost it. Oh, don't want to do that. Yeah, this is normally underwater, so this could be a struggle. We're just gonna sit on her. Funny, I think I dare a bird myself. Hopefully nobody eats it on the interstate here and takes me out. I'd walk down here. This is why I need my four-wheeler. Yeah, the little bike would be way better. I could see myself having to push while she's running. We'll find out real quick, guys. Whoa, that's soft. Oh, that's real soft. Look at that. Oh, that sucks. Gonna have to onion her. Oh, I can't see down there. That's no good. Woo-hoo. Besides, you can't have fun in South Dakota. They were lying to you, because it's beautiful. Again, this stuff's all... Golly, this is awesome. This is awesome. A couple years down the road again, when it rains, we'll be in deep water. Sorry, guys.